Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Anglo Platinum's Vishnu Pillay says its joint venture Platinum Profile is poised for growth. Kumba opens an automated iron ore sampling plant, and South Africa is Eickhoff's base for its global continuous coal miner liftoff. New Anglo Platinum Executive Head of Joint Ventures, Vishnu Pillay, says the company's contribution to production from joint ventures is expected to grow to as much as 1 million ounces a year.
Anglo Platinum joint venture operations contribute 30% to our production profile on an annual basis. And going forward into the future, I expect that production profile will grow to as much as 1 million ounces a year, and we're going to do that through increased levels of participation with appropriate partners within the industry, but also to make sure that our existing partners that we actually have the ability to sustain current levels and grow within the properties that they have.
JSE-listed iron ore miner Kumba has opened a new automated iron ore sampling plant at the port of Saldanha, which last year exported 47 million tons of iron ore from South Africa.
We've invested over 100 million and Transnet have invested over 60 million rand. It's really upgrading and bringing the very best and latest technology into sampling.
There are three things that we measure at the laboratory. The first is physical qualities, where we look at the size of the actual iron ore, the particle size. We then also measure the moisture content, and very importantly, we look at the chemical analysis of that, because different grades sell at different prices. And because we can consistently analyze and give very accurate results, there's a huge advantage to Kumba iron ore, even on the revenue streams.
Coal mining equipment multinational Eickhoff is using South Africa as a base from which to ramp up its penetration of the global market for continuous mining machines.
The mining method that's used generally in South Africa is room and pillar, where the continuous miner fits in. And Eickhoff has decided that they want to bring in this prototype into South Africa, see if they can get it developed and market ready for the rest of the world. We've got now 18 production, full production. It's a full production ready machine and ready for the rest of the market. So there's a lot of marketing going on in the rest of the world to satisfy their needs, but the focus at the moment is in South Africa. And we are happy that the product is market ready now.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.
For 30 years, Creamer Media's engineering news has delivered unmatched insight into South Africa's real economy. Subscribe now and go to engineeringnews.co.za for the real economy in real time. Engineering news, not just for engineers.